Unraveling the Mystery. Add up the numbers, explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to unravel the mystery behind the phrase, add up the numbers. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just curious, understanding this common expression can be incredibly useful. So, let's get started and explore what it means to add up the numbers. Add up the numbers is a phrase that, at its core, refers to the process of calculating the total sum of various numbers. When we say add, we're talking about the basic mathematical operation of addition, which involves combining two or more numbers to get their total. The numbers simply refers to the digits or figures that are being added together. This phrase can be used in a variety of contexts, both literal and figurative. Literal use. In its most straightforward application, add up the numbers is used when someone is literally talking about performing a calculation. For example, if you're working on a budget, someone might say, "Let's add up the numbers to see how much we can spend." Figurative use. Figuratively, the phrase can be used to mean assessing a situation or evaluating various factors to come to a conclusion. For instance, when making a decision, you might hear, "Let's add up the numbers and see if this project is worth pursuing." To help you better understand, here are a few examples of how add up the numbers can be used in sentences. 1. Literal context. After we add up the numbers, we'll know exactly how much the trip will cost. 2. Figurative context. We need to add up the numbers and consider all aspects before making a final decision. There you have it. Understanding the phrase, add up the numbers, is not just about dealing with figures. It's about evaluating, assessing, and making informed decisions, whether in math or in life. We hope this video has shed some light on this common but versatile phrase. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to exploring more interesting topics with you. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.